Alright guys, no? So welcome back sa ating mock test ng ating signal spectra and signal processing. So in this video, we're going to solve another problem under the Z transform. So let's read the question guys. The Z transform of a discrete time signal x of n is given by x of z is equal to 1 all over 1 minus 2 z raised to negative 1 quantity square with the ROC mod of z is greater than 2. Okay, then we are asked to solve for the x of 2. This is ano no, kumbaga the value of the discrete time signal no when n is equal to 2. Okay. So, this one, no? So, this is a property-based question, no? So, we'll be solving the problem using properties, no, ng Z transform. So, what will be the solution? So, let us solve the problem, guys. What will be the solution? Okay. So, this problem can be, ano, no, easily solved, no? Mas direct siya at mas mabilis if you know the Z transform pair with regards to n, a raised to n u of n. Okay? Because guys, no, although in this particular question, we can use the uh, Z differentiation property. Okay, pwede natin gamitin. Kaya lang, kung alam nyo na yung direct result, no, so ng Z transform pair, so pwede na rin yun. And actually, mas mabilis yung mangyayari sa question, ay sa problem. So, what is the Z transform of n? A raised to n u of n. So, by the way, guys, no, as I mentioned, no, so in the previous lecture or previous video, okay, about the Z transform, when you are doing the inverse Z transform, no? So this problem is actually inverse Z transform, right? Because x of Z yung given. We always look first at the ROC. Okay, we always look first at the ROC. So yung ROC natin guys is mod of Z is greater than 2. So means to say that the signal is a right-sided signal. At kung right-sided signal, no, so may corresponding Z transform for that, no? Z transform pair. So we have n, a raised to n u of n. So the Z transform pair of this one, we have, okay, a z raised to minus 1, okay, over, okay, and then we have 1, okay, minus a z raised to minus 1 whole square. And again, no, the ROC is mod of z is greater than mod of a. Okay? So, ito yung ating Z transform pair. So, we will just substitute, guys. Papalitan natin based dun sa given sa problem. Although, hindi pa directly yun, no? But, yeah, you'll see later, no? So, let's start with, ano, guys? Let's start with setting A is equal to 2. So, we have N multiplied by 2 raised to N U of N. Okay? So, in other words, guys, no? A is equal sa 2. So, papalitan ng natin lahat, guys, ng 2 lahat ng A dito sa kabilang side. So, in this case, 2z raised to negative 1. And then we have 1 minus 2z raised to minus 1 raised to 2. Okay, using the formula. And then we have mod of z. Okay, mod of z is greater than mod of 2. And mod of 2, of course, is simply 2. Okay, now guys, okay, hindi yan yung hinahanap, no? So, ang hinahanap sa atin is, ano guys, we're asked to solve for, ano po, 1 lang, no? Yung ating nasa numerator. So, dahil 1 lang siya, no? So, what can we do is, first is divide natin both sides by 2. So, you'll see that 1/2 is coming up here sa kabilang side. Okay, and ito ay magiging n times 2 raised to n u of n na lang. Okay? And then sa kabilang side ng Z transform pair, no? So we'll be actually having the same pero wala na yung 2. Okay? So yan na lang siya, no? Kasi dinivide na natin both sides by 2 as you can see. No? So yan. By the way, no, in this particular case, the ROC will be the same. Okay, ROC will be the same. So what's the next step, guys, no? So meron kang Z raised to negative 1, pero ang kailangan lang natin, guys, ay 1 lang, no, yung nasa right-hand side. So anong gagamitin natin? We will do the time shift property, no? So we have the time shift property. So paano yung time shift property, no? So time shift property, we will shift the index, no? We will shift the time domain, which is yung n, okay, by +1. Okay, so that, tinan nyo pag nag+1 tayo dito, guys, so this would become n plus 1, right? So, simple lang naman, no? Lahat ng n, gawin nyo lang n plus 1 in this case. So, magiging n plus 1 yan. And then, ito ay magiging 2 raised to n plus 1 din. So, n plus 1 din yan, guys. Okay, we have n plus 1 as well. Okay, n plus 1. Okay. And of course, no, u of n plus 1. U of n plus 1. Okay. So now guys, since nag plus 1 tayo or nag time shift tayo no sa kabilang side, so mababago din yung ay ano no, i-apply natin yung time shift property. So sa time shift property guys, sa kabilang side nung ating Z transform pair, so kung nag plus 1 tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng multiplication by Z raised to 1. Multiply this whole thing by Z raised to 1. Okay? So take note guys na kapag time shift property, kung plus sa kabilang side, plus din sa kabilang side yung i-multiply. Meron kasi yung frequency shift or yung shift in Z property. Okay? So pagka ganun guys, okay, no? So bali sa kabilang side, no, opposite sign. Okay? So at any rate, no, so ito guys, no, so multiply siya. So itong Z raised to minus 1 all over. Okay, we have 1 minus 2Z to the negative 1 whole square. Okay? And then mod of Z, okay, is less greater than 2, no? So di pa rin magbabago, guys. So this would cancel, right? Okay? And in fact, makukuha na natin yung hinahanap nating Z transform pair. Okay? Makukuha na natin yung hinahanap nating Z transform pair. So what is that, no? So what is that Z transform pair, guys? So let me write. So we have 1/2. Okay? So 1/2. Yan, 1/2. Yan, lagay natin hence. Yan, hence. Yan, so that we have here. So ano magiging answer natin, guys? So we have 1/2. Okay, 1/2 times the quantity n plus 1 po. N plus 1. Okay, times 2 raised to n plus 1. 2 raised to n plus 1. Okay, u of n plus 1. Okay. So this is the z yung sa kabilang side niya. So this is the ano no, inverse z transform ni. Yan, 1 over. Okay. So 1 minus 2z raised to negative 1 whole square. Okay, with mod of z greater than 2. Mod of z greater than 2. Okay? So here's the answer, guys. Here's the answer. So you can further simplify this, no? Although not necessary naman, pero in this case kasi 1/2 yon and this is 2 raised to n. So we can write this as n plus 1. Okay, times 2 raised to n na lang, guys. No? Kasi 2 raised to n plus 1 divide by 2, 2 raised to n na lang. And then you have u of n plus 1. So this is sure, it turns out to be your x of n. Turns out to be your x of n. Now, okay. No, so yung x of 2 natin, okay, kasi yun yung pinaka hinahanap sa question. So yung x of 2 natin, we have, therefore, 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to 2 u of 2 plus 1. Okay, so u of 3, alam natin guys, no, that the value of that, okay, the value of this one is always 1 because this is greater than 0, obviously. So therefore, what is the value of x of 2? So yung x of 2 natin, guys, we have 3 times 4, so we have 12. 12 is our final answer. 12 is our final answer. Okay? Ayan. So yan yung answer natin in this particular question. And this is also the solution. All right. Okay, guys, no? So now, no, for the homework question, guys, so we have here the Z transform of a sequence. Okay, x of n is given as x of z equals 2z plus 4 minus 4 is z raised to minus 1 plus 3 3 times z raised to minus 2. Okay, ang kanyang ROC is ano? Yan, no? Okay, by the way, guys, no? This is another way of writing the ROC. So this is a little bit different from what we had, no, in our on-site classes, our live classes, guys. So this one po, okay, this one. So ano pong ibig sabihin nito, no? So this is another way of writing, okay? Yung ROC niya is what? So ROC, ano yung ROC natin, no? So entire, okay, entire, okay, Z plane. Or 'di ba sometimes we call this entire Z plane as all Z. Okay, all Z. Okay, except yan, except yan kasi walang equal to right? Pansin nyo? So hindi kasama yung ano, Z equals 0 and Z equals infinity. Okay, so that's ano no, another way of writing this whole statement. Na yung ROC niya is the entire Z plane or all Z, all values of Z, okay, except sa Z equals 0 and Z equals infinity. So another way of writing this is that the mod of Z, okay, is from 0 to infinity, hindi kasama yung 0 to infinity. Okay? Exclusive. Well, anyway, ang hinahanap dito sa question na ito is y of n, which is actually, if y of n daw is x of n minus x of n minus 1, we're asked to solve for y of z. Okay? We're asked to solve for the y of z. No, so again, this is a property-based question. So key in your answers, guys, no, in the comments section. And thank you, guys, and see you sa next video. Bye!